Are the icons on your Samsung phone too big or too small? Many users don't know you can easily adjust their size for a cleaner, more polished look. In this video, I'll show you how to change the icon size on your Samsung phone. Let's resize those icons now. So first, open up the Store app on your Samsung phone. Then install the Good Lock app. Next, tap the play button. After that, now scroll down a little bit and find the Hope Up app. Install this app. After installing, scroll up and tap on Home Up. Tap the next button, then try it. Now make sure to toggle on the off option. Then toggle on the home screen option. And then toggle on the app icon setting option. Then tap on this option. Here you can see a preview of your icons. And under that, you'll see a slider for icon size. If you slide this to the right, your icon size will be bigger, and slide this to the left, your icon will be shorter like this. That's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.